Hey guys, so I have another accessory for my Stanley cup, my Stanley tumbler, and I have the 30-ounce tumbler, and this is a new accessory that I have, and this is the tumbler magnetic phone holder. So this works with your MagSafe phone chargers or phones, and they also come with rings that you can attach to your phone or your case if you don't have the MagSafe phone or case. So let's see what we have here. This is the magnetic holder. So we're gonna go ahead and just put this on the Stanley tumbler. And I have it here, and we're gonna go ahead and just wrap it right around your phone. And then you attach it here in the back. And then it's just like a Velcro that you put around it. And there you go. So this is great for if you're working out and you're going to the gym, or you're going out and about and you want your water and your phone together. So I don't have a MagSafe phone charger or phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the different attachments that they have. So you can actually put this directly onto your case or your phone. I'm gonna put this on my case, and this is actually the MagSafe strip, and you just can use the adhesive back and put it onto your case or phone. So I'm gonna just take off the backing so that we have a sticky back, and I'm gonna put it onto my case. There we go. So now I have the MagSafe magnet adhesive attached to my case, and I'm going to put my phone onto the holder, and there it is. So now my phone is attached to my Stanley tumbler, and I can use this if I am going to the gym, going for a walk, out and about, and it works really well. So you see how easy it is to put the attachment there. If you already have a MagSafe phone or case, then it'll work right away. So hopefully you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.